Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss about how to earn money by name typing. You've come to the correct place if you've been looking for a flexible and practical approach to earn some extra money. So let's get started. Before we started, let's quickly explain that is the name typing. Name typing refers to the task of typing the attractive name to the company to their brand. Company pay you to typing the attractive name to their brand. This is the simple and the most easy way to earn money online. The first step is to find reliable platforms that offer name typing jobs. There are several websites and online marketplaces that connect businesses or individuals that you pay for the typing the attractive name for their brands, who pay you money. For this online work, you don't need any technical skill, and you don't need any experience for this work, and you don't need any investment for this work. These platforms offer a variety of options for name typing, letting you select tasks that match your tastes, timetable, and skill set. To draw in new customers, it's critical to make an appealing profile and highlight your typing skills. There are some websites that I recommend for you to start your online earning by the typing. Talent Desire. Talent Desire is a dynamic and innovative online platform that has made its mark in the world of talent acquisition. Whether you're a skilled professional seeking new opportunities or an employer looking for top talent, Talent Desire is your go-to destination. Let's delve into what makes this platform stand out from the rest. Talent Desire is a dynamic and innovative online platform that has made its mark in the world of talent acquisition. Whether you're a skilled professional seeking new opportunities or an employer looking for top talent, Talent Desire is your go-to destination. Let's delve into what makes this platform stand out from the rest. At Talent Desire, the focus is on connecting talented individuals like yourself with exciting career opportunities. Whether you're an experienced professional or just starting your career journey, Talent Desire has a wide range of industries and positions to explore. They understand the importance of finding the perfect match, ensuring that your skills and aspirations align with the right job. Transcription Staff. Com is a leading platform that specializes in providing transcription services. With a strong focus on accuracy, professionalism, and efficiency, Transcription Staff. Com offers a reliable and trusted solution for individuals and businesses in need of transcription work. Whether it's transcribing audio files, video recordings, interviews, or other forms of media, Transcription Staff. Com has built a reputation for delivering high-quality transcription services. Transcription Staff stands out as a go-to website for clients seeking accurate and timely transcription services. Here's a closer look at what makes this platform unique and why it has gained popularity in the transcription industry. The withdrawal on the Transcription Staff is on a weekly basis. You can easily withdraw your income in PayPal. Transcribeam. Com is a leading online platform that offers transcription services and exciting job opportunities. Whether you're a skilled transcriptionist or someone looking to have your audio or video content transcribed accurately, Transcribeam. Com is the go-to destination. Let's explore what makes this platform stand out. Transcribeam is an online transcription service provider that converts audio/video files into text. Users earn by typing audio files and text. So if you are looking for some part-time work, Transcribeam provides a good opportunity to earn money on the side. To get started, you have to make a profile. Click here to register. Before starting, you have to pass an exam to make sure you know the work. Once that's done, you can apply to transcription jobs in different categories. Remember, you have to be fluent in English to apply here. Com is a renowned online platform that offers top-quality transcription services and exciting career prospects. Whether you require transcripts for your audio or video content or are a skilled transcriptionist looking for rewarding work, Com has got you covered. Let's explore what makes this platform stand out. At Com, you can expect professional transcription services of the highest caliber. Their team of skilled transcriptionists is committed to delivering accurate and reliable transcripts for your audio and video recordings. Whether it's interviews, conferences, podcasts, or any other content, Scribe.com ensures that your valuable recordings are transformed into readable and searchable transcripts. To sum it all up, name typing offers a flexible and convenient way to earn money online. By leveraging your typing skills, practicing regularly, and utilizing reliable platforms, you can carve out a successful career in the name typing industry. Remember, it's essential to manage your time effectively, focus on accuracy, and build strong client relationships to maximize your earning potential. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to earn money by name typing. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy name typing and happy earning.